what's up guys? It's Miccolo.
It's Ruth.
And this is how we do it.
For today's video, we'll be giving you guys Halloween ideas for
couples
na costume. Ito yung mga naisip namin na madali lang, last minute.
Last minute kapag yung mga hindi prepared, gano'n. Yung mga nasa closet nyo lang makikita.
Yeah. Ito yung mga nakuha naming couples from different films.
Different romantic films.
Okay, the first one is 500 Days of Summer. For summer, since I already have bangs, all I had to do was curl my bangs and then curl the bottom of my hair para medyo curl yung shape ng hair. And then I wore a blue top similar to summer and a denim skirt similar to her fashion. So her fashion is medyo retro and then fun. So this is my version of summer.
Yung sa akin naman si Tom, kung napansin nyo sa movie, di ba office guy siya. So yung pormahan niya is mostly pang office pero casual pa rin yung dating. Whoopings pa din. Mala hipster yung datingan niya. So ang sinuot ko is itong isang yellow stripes na polo and then pinair ko siya sa beige na pants. So this is my look.
I love this mix.
Wait, what?
I love this mix.
So yun guys, nakita niyo yung first look namin. For the second look naman, paborito ng lahat to eh, si Mr. and Mrs. Grey. Di ba?
So ito naman yung para sa if you wanna look more dressy. Kasi ito yung pinili namin is yung scene from the Masquerade.
Yes.
This one is from the 50 Shades Darker.
Yun, 50 Shades Darker.
The second installment.
So itong suot ni Mr. Grey, itong suot ko is a mask na binili ni Ruth. Tapos finish paint ko lang siya ng black. And then nag-polo ako, white polo with slacks. Kaya wala siyang coat kasi tinanggal na siya ni Anastasia.
So yung kay Anna, she's wearing a silver dress and a silver shirt. But I don't have that color, so I went with whatever is in my closet. I'm wearing this silk dress, which is custom made for me. And then this beige fur. Natingin ko bagay naman siya at same naman siya dun sa vibe ng look ni Anna. And then, etong mask naman, binili ko lang siya sa parang isang gift wrap na boutique store. Couple na pili namin is from the movie To All the Boys I've Loved Before.
Yes! Di ba nga? Favorite ng lahat niya nung lumabas, di ba? Sobrang nag-trend.
Yeah. So ito naman, medyo casual lang. College student vibe. So yung suot ko, since ako nga si Peter Kavinsky, so yung suot ko dito is, so isang hoodie lang. So ginaya ko varsity hoodie. Tapos naka-pants lang siya, naka-jeans. Yung scene kasi nito is yung gumagawa sila ng agreement ni Lara Jean na ito yung do's and don'ts nila. So as Lara Jean, I wore this pink floral dress and then I wore this pink jacket over it since yun yung suot niya sa scene na yun. Also, nakataas yung hair ko with a scrunchie because you all know Lara Jean loves her ponytails and her scrunchie. So, hey guys, how do I look?
Whoa! Uy! Diyan pala kayo guys. Sorry ha.
So yung fourth na costume idea namin is from the movie.
Wala niya guys.
The House of Us, di ba?
Daniel at Catherine. So, yung suot ko is nude lang na top, and then shorts, and then ikaw.
Ako plain shirt lang, tapos yung jeans lang, black jeans yung sinuot ko.
So, malalaman lang nila na The House of Us kapag wag ka ganito.
Pag nakagano.
Pag wag ka ganito.
George, alam mo ano eh? Gagawa tayo ng maraming memories dito eh. Mas dito maglalagay tayo dyan ng flat screen TV. Diba?
Wala pa nga tayong gamit eh, flat screen TV agad.
Di ba? Wala. Tapos dito meron tayo nakapatong na ganyan yung ano mo. Nakapatong.
Feet off my table.
Pwede ganun. Yes!
Lapit na lang sila. Oo, ayun na nga.
So that's it guys, nakita niyo yung mga costumes namin na pinakita and sana marami kayong napulot na ideas at gawin niyo rin yun, di ba?
And yun, para sa mga couples like me na gusto mag-dress up pero not so much.
No, yung hindi ka nagagastos, di ba?
Gumastos. Ayun, you should try out
This.
yung mga pinakita namin.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Ring mo na rin yung bell.
And we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!